system is very easy to navigate, and and the look and feel of the system is really exciting. So that's what making people to go to the system and play around.
Especially if you are thinking of going ahead with that, because HR being an enterprise service, you want to have that little bit of personal touch. This is what pits HR1 against the other teams, where you have people like Ravi taking you through the process, people like Raj explaining the ROI of the process. So that is number one, I would say. The people you have in the team define how good the product is.
The basic thing which I find better is it is damn very user friendly. I mean, anyone who is not acquainted with HR1 can get acquainted in a day or so. So I mean, you can just fiddle it out and figure it out that what you have to do and how you have to do it is user friendly, I would say.
I would say customer service. Firstly, yes, it was very helpful with us.
And the best part, it has a mobile app, and everyone doesn't have a laptop at HR. This is working very well with the employees. They're actually going and visiting employees on their birthdays, anniversaries. So that is the best thing about the system.
Ease of use. So though the initial onboarding may be tough, because HR is something which has so many different aspects and permutations, combinations. Once the initial setup is done, and the thing is, the onus and the complexity is on the admin end, but not passed on to the user. So my end user, I love the whole architecture of keeping it as a request. Rather than having a different part for attendance, different part for leaves, I love the fact that for a user, you've only done it at request and inbox. So anyone requests anything, it comes in your inbox. You want to request anything, you go to request. So I love that whole thought process. Means something has gone into it, thinking that you've gone to the drawing board. This is a problem. How do we solve it? Okay, not simply we will think how it will work and do it. Which is kudos on creating something like that. I've not seen it yet anywhere else.
It was very user friendly for sure.
I like the dashboard concept which you have, wherein we can change the colors as per our convenience, and wherein we can give batches, which is also really very nice.
Last thing is, for me, what is best is it's an Indian company. So working with Indian companies is something we cherish. Working with any company is something we cherish. But Indian has that little bit extra that we understand the advantages, the problems, and the figuring out tech. Tech is something which probably came out in India in 2011, 2012. We didn't have those 86 computers in India like Steve Jobs had. So for us to be creating such great products means a lot more. So those are the three main selling points, I would say.
Rest all things, I believe all the portals have got like leads management, attendance, payroll. So everybody gives that key things. But yeah, with times, things are changing. So like these changes which you have brought into your product is really nice. And the clap is also very nice concept, wherein we can see how many people really appreciate the badge given. So yeah, it is one of the good things that we see.